The second-generation Lexus NX has been unveiled, with the SUV sporting new styling, more features and updated engine options. With this second-gen NX's design, Lexus has gone with a more evolutionary approach, rather than a revolutionary one. Lexus has stated that it has taken design inspiration from the LFZ EV concept showcased earlier this year. At first glance, the SUV is still very recognizably an NX, though the Japanese carmaker has reworked it to look much sleeker and more modern. Up front, Lexus' new spindle grille still takes center stage, though it's the new single-piece headlights, replacing the split units on the older model, that really help unclutter the SUV's look. The C-shaped air intakes with the integrated fog lights also give the front end a more aggressive appearance. When viewed from the side, it is the longer hood, new character lines and sharper creases that set the new NX apart from its predecessor. The SUV continues to have a well-proportioned and sporty look.